In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archive spaces on Clickup. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or revisiting completed projects, knowing how to effectively navigate to and view archive spaces can streamline your workflow on Clickup, making it easier to focus on what's currently at hand without losing access to your past work. First things first, let's dive into the Clickup platform. The Everything app for work, Clickup provides a versatile workspace to manage projects, tasks, and documents in one place. To start, you need to access Clickup's official website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface, inviting you to dive into your work or manage your team's progress. The next step requires you to log in into your account. On the Clickup login page, simply enter your email address. Ensure it's the one you used to register or is associated with your Clickup workspace. After entering your email, the next field asks for your password. Type in the password you've set up for your Clickup account. Remember, keeping a strong, unique password is crucial for the security of your work and data. Once you've fulfilled the login credentials requirement, it's time to log in by clicking the Login button. If your details are correct, you'll smoothly transition into the main dashboard of Clickup, also known as the Home workspace. It's here where all your projects and tasks come to life, but we're interested in something a little more specific today: archived spaces. To find these, you'll need to navigate to the settings of your workspace. Look for a cogwheel icon or a similar settings indicator, typically found in the lower left corner or side menu of your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you closer to where your archive spaces are neatly stored. Within the settings menu, keep an eye out for a section labelled Spaces. This is Clickup's way of organising everything from broad projects to specific tasks. Clicking on Spaces will open a new menu dedicated to managing these segments of your workspace. Now for the reason we're all here, accessing those archived spaces. Within the Spaces settings, you should see an option for archived spaces. It's straightforward from here. Simply click on Archived Spaces to reveal a list of spaces you or your team have archived in the past. This function is particularly useful for decluttering your workspace while still preserving past projects for future reference, audits, or insights. As we go through these steps, it's good to remember that Clickup is designed to be an intuitive tool for work management, including the archiving and unarchiving process. Archiving is not permanent, so if you need to reactivate a space, you can always reverse the process and bring it back into your active workspace. In the process of navigating Clickup, you might encounter various designs or layout changes depending on the updates and version of Clickup you're using. This adaptability is a core feature of Clickup, ensuring you always have access to the most efficient and user-friendly tools for managing your work. Before concluding, a quick tip. As you work with Clickup, regularly reviewing and managing your spaces, including archiving those no longer in active use, can help maintain a clean workspace. This not only helps in staying organized, but also in optimizing your productivity and focus on current projects. So, to recap, accessing your archive spaces in Clickup involves a simple sequence of logging in, navigating to your workspace settings, selecting spaces, and finally clicking on Archived Spaces. This straightforward process is part of what makes Clickup a powerful tool for managing not just your current tasks and projects, but also your past accomplishments. That brings us to the end of our tutorial on how to view archived spaces in Clickup. With these steps, you'll be able to maintain a clean, efficient workspace while still keeping your completed or paused projects within reach for when you need them. Whether you're a project manager, a team member, or working solo, staying organized is key to productivity, and Clickup provides the tools to do just that. Thank you for joining me today. Keep exploring, and you'll continue to uncover even more ways Clickup can streamline your work processes and boost your productivity.